Hey guys, back with another video. Today was kind of an unexpected video for me. Andy is not here. I'm at the house right now. I'm kind of just doing some Mustang Week prep, I guess you could call it. You heard it here first. We are still going to Mustang Week. As long as Mustang Week staff still says that we're gonna be doing Mustang Week, then we're going. We did sadly hear that JD is no longer going, but on that note, we completely understand. I mean, he's got a family, kids to worry about. Plus, he kind of does that as a vacation for the whole family, so that'd be kind of a crappy way to have a vacation just get ruined by Corona. But yeah, I'm basically just kind of doing some Mustang Week prep. I didn't actually say this yet, but I got my skinnies for my drag setup. And I'm kind of just cleaning them all up because I got them used with some pretty dang new tires on them. But these ones are pretty filthy. Not gonna lie. I did do one. It's sitting in the truck. So basically, I got some Meguiar's Ultimate Compound and some Ultimate Polish. And I don't know if you guys know this or not, but the wheels I do have are, in fact, technically chrome. And I just finished cleaning this one. It's hard to tell in this lighting, but I desperately need tires for the rear, by the way. But I'm probably going to order a set before Mustang Week, so I'm not rolling around on bald tires in the rear. But these are just completely filthy, like I said. And I want to get them cleaned up, and I can't 100% tell you if that's the right way to do it. But that's how I'm doing it, because they've been through hell and back, because I had them sitting under the Thunder Chicken. And basically some paint got on it, and I had to do some things that you probably shouldn't do to these, but but I got them to come back to life. But they've been sitting in the garage for months, so they collected dust and dirt and all sorts of shit. Because basically we're gonna be rolling around on these for Mustang Week, basically all week. Yeah, but basically we're gonna be cleaning up these wheels real quick, and I'm gonna take you along with me, see if you guys I mean, if you have any questions or concerns or comments, just put them in the comment section below. Like I said, I'm not saying this is the right way to do it. If your shit gets fucked up, don't blame me. But this is how I'm doing it, because my wheels have been through hell and back. These are basically new. I got them used. The skinnies, I mean, are basically new, so I don't really have to do anything crazy. But basically, it's a black chrome finish wheel, so technically you can still polish, which I did. That's essentially how I saved it last time, because it had little specks of red and orange and white and all different. Because my sister and my dad were painting stuff in here for when she was going to college, or going to school. Words, still can't talk. Going to her new job in North Carolina. But, yeah, so I fixed that a little while ago, but these are just filthy, and I can't have that, so I figured, why not? I'll throw the camera up and make a neat little video out of it. So yeah, basically I'm gonna get started with the compound, then go to the polish, and then we'll see you then. I'll probably throw in a little montage so I don't bore you with probably 15-20 minutes of scrubbing these dang wheels down. But yeah, I'll see you guys then. As you can see how clean that got and all that gunk. I believe that might be some remainder of the little accident I had. Well, actually, it wasn't my fault, but so it was parked right over there, my car, and basically what happened, I didn't even notice it immediately, but I came out one day and it looked like somebody egged my car, but did a really poor job. And if you're watching this, go fuck yourself. But basically, I went out there and there was egg, but it was only on my drag radials. It wasn't on the car, the glass, nowhere. Nothing. I double and triple checked. I could not find it anywhere, but on the wheels. I was like, who the hell? But I think it's just some remainder of the egg on there. But as you can see in that clip, sorry, it is really hot out here. But basically, it's just kind of taking the egg off and some other dirt and grime that's been sitting for a little while, like I said. But just to give you another look, you can see all the nasty, grimy egg and dirt and whatever the hell, and then you can see that dark, it almost looks brown, at least from my eyes. I don't know if the camera will pick that up, but it's basically, it's called Dark Star. But yeah, so far so good. I'll set you back up on the tripod and get back to work. Set this up so hopefully you can get a better visual. Okay, take a look at that. That looks way better. Wow. That's incredible. Now we just got to do the fronts. Okay guys, now I just got to polish the inner barrel and then we'll do the top. But I think since they all look the same, I'll just show you the tops of the skinnies. Same deal, same process. I'm actually really impressed with how well everything's coming out so far. But really the compound just kind of gets all the nitty-gritty nonsense out of there, and then the polishes it. So this makes it pop a little more, and I love how it looks so far. So yeah, I'm gonna get to finishing the other rear slick, and then we'll come into the garage where it's not hot as nuts and knock out these skinnies. So I'll see you guys then. Okay guys, I wasn't originally gonna show you the rear because it's the same damn tire, but dang, that looks good. Oh, that's great. That is so good. Oh man. But time to head in and do the fronts. Okay guys, we are inside the garage. It's still hot outside, but at least the sun isn't beating down on me, because I tell you what, I am sweating like a dog. But we're gonna go ahead and get started on the skinnies in the front. But basically, I don't gotta worry about I'm not gonna even clean or polish rather, the inner barrels on these, because when I originally got them, I did that already, and I checked off camera and they're good. So I'm just gonna focus on the face. It's the most important part, I suppose. So I'm gonna set you up on them tires over there and get started on this before it gets too dark, so I can get some dang food in my belly. But yeah, basically I'm just gonna do the same thing I did on the rears to the fronts, and tomorrow I do work, and I plan on bringing the car, or the car's already there, but I plan on bringing the wheels with me so I can throw them on the car to finally see what it looks like with the full set on it, because this is the first time I've never actually even put them on yet. But yeah, maybe, just maybe, I'll throw in the footage of it on the car just to give you an idea. But yeah, I'm gonna get started on this. I'll see you guys with the next update. Looks real nice. I'm gonna bring this out in the sun and show you guys. I'll be back in a second. Okay, take a look at that. And like I said, I'm not really going for perfection here, even though I am slightly OCD. Just good enough so it doesn't look like complete garbage sitting on the car. Alright guys, I got the wheels on there. Full drag pack setup.
think it looks pretty good. Probably gonna roll like this to Mustang Week. I think Andy's doing the same thing. He just doesn't have the front skinnies like I do. But yeah, as promised, let's go on this side where the sun's hitting it. Oh yeah, buddy. This thing is filthy. Need to clean this damn thing.
But yeah, basically just like I showed you step by step. It's pretty simple. Any idiot like me can figure it out. I'm sure all you smart people out there can figure it out. And I'm sure there'll be people in the comments saying, you're not supposed to do it that way, but I don't care. But yeah, that's basically it for today's video, guys. I just figured we've been kind of slacking on uploads lately, and I figured this would be a nice little idea. But make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and look forward to Mustang Week content. We upgraded as far as equipment goes this year, and we're going to be editing on the fly, unlike last year where it took us a while to upload stuff. All the other guys that were out there already posted their stuff, but we're going to be trying to stay on top of it this year. Hopefully Mustang Week isn't a bust, but you know how it is. I mean, last year we had a hurricane. We're going to make the best of it. So if you guys are there, we will see you there. If not, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.